This video is being sponsored by DREO. They sent me their ChefMaker Combi Fryer. Let me say this, it's time to meet your new chef. This product is new to the world of kitchen appliances with a lot of integrated functions of other cookers. This is not your regular fryer or oven. This is a combi fryer. The ChefMaker makes the most perfect meals without hassle or expertise. It has an exclusive patent combi cook technology. It also comes with an easy DIY program to customize all your recipes. So if you're looking to elevate your cooking with versatile options and master your culinary skills without any effort, the DREO Combi Fryer is for you. I'm gonna leave a link to this product in the video description below. Guys, check it out, it is awesome. So now let's get back to cooking. Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I know y'all saying, man, that's looking good. Yep, let's say it, groceries. If you wanna learn how to make honey Dijon chicken breast, get in your kitchen, let's go. So let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients today. We have our chicken breast here. We have some olive oil, some Dijon mustard, some honey, black pepper, some more Dijon mustard, but this is the whole grain Dijon mustard, salt, some thyme, got a little lime. I'd rather use a lemon, but I don't have a lemon, so I'm gonna use this lime, no big deal. Garlic powder, some more honey, red wine vinegar, some more olive oil, and some more of that whole grain Dijon mustard. So these are the ingredients, let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by making our honey mustard marinade, and I'm gonna start by adding our honey to this bowl, some olive oil, our black pepper, garlic powder, our salt, thyme, some of that whole grain Dijon mustard, and our regular Dijon mustard. And all we're gonna do, guys, is just get that mixed up like this until it's well combined. Guys, look at what we have here. All right, so let's move this aside real quick. Bring back our chicken breast. We're just gonna take our marinade and pour it here over our chicken breast just like that. Now you could choose to go into this with your hands, which I will, or however you want to get it mixed up. You just want to make sure you get all that mixture over your chicken breast. Just like that, guys. Now, all we're going to do is we're just going to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes up to 2 hours. You don't have to really do it that long. Matter of fact, if you want to just go ahead and start cooking, you can. But I just like to let this marinate and seep into that chicken just for at least 30 minutes, all right? We're gonna come right back. All right, so we have about 10 to 15 more minutes until our chicken is done marinating. So we're gonna start preparing our sauce, and we're gonna do that by heating up our pan. And we're gonna start off by adding our honey, and our olive oil, our Dijon mustard, add that red wine vinegar, and we're gonna squeeze a little lime juice in here. Guys, we just want to get this mixed up, bring it to a slight simmer. We don't want to get it to boiling, just a slight simmer. Get everything mixed up, so turn your heat down just a little bit. Looks like everything's combined. We're just going to turn our heat off, remove it, and we're going to head back over to our air fryer so we can get our chicken pieces into the air fryer. All right, guys, so it's time to get started. Now, you already know this video is being sponsored by DREO, and this is their ChefMaker. Listen, when I tell you I love this air fryer, I know you guys saying you love all your air fryers, but listen, when I started playing around with this air fryer, I was impressed. Number one, I love that you can control it from your phone. They have an app that you can download. I'm in my ChefMaker. Here's the app right here. Guys, take a look at it. And right here, as you can see, I can turn it on from my app, and you're gonna see that display light up. Bam, look at that. Oh man. So to prepare this air fryer, before we get into anything, you wanna take the top off here. It's the top here where you add water. And there's a line where you add the max. So you wanna make sure you add some water here at the top. If you don't add water, it's gonna give you a error that, hey, you need to fill it up with water. So don't worry about it. If you forget it, it's gonna remind you. I'm telling you, this thing is smarter than me. All right, so we're gonna pour this out, our basket. And another thing I like about this too, they have a cooking probe right here. And guys, the only thing you do is you connect this cooking probe inside of here, just like that. We definitely want to make sure that our chicken comes out at the right temperature. It's not undercooked, and we don't want to overcook. And guys, look at all that flavor on that breast right there. Oh man. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and place my cooking probe in here. I want it in the middle part, because that's where we want that temperature to read. All right guys, so you see how we have those sitting in there? We're gonna go ahead and push it in here. So it has a digital dash, guys, so you can go in here and you can go through chef mode, classic mode, probe, cook, favorites, settings, all that good stuff. So we're gonna do the probe, cook, and I'm not gonna even use this digital display because I can go through it like this if I want to. It changes all the settings. But what we're gonna do, we're going to use our app. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. So all you do is you click the air fryer, or the ChefMaker, whatever you want to call it. We're going to do the probe cook. As you can see, it says probe right here. We'll click probe to our target temperature. I'm gonna put 170. And ambient temperature, we're gonna leave it at 380 degrees, as must be standard. Right here, it says send to device. And watch, pay attention to the display when I send it. Bam, probe cook, 170 target. Guys, let's start cooking. Man, tell me that ain't sweet. And as you can see right here, that's your temperature. It has a stage progress right here, our ambient temperature. So we're gonna keep our eye right here. This is where we want our chicken breast to go. Also guys, guess what I can also do? I can hit the light from my app. Oh man, this thing is awesome. All right guys, so now we're gonna stop this for a quick second. We're gonna pull this out. And I'm going to get these babies flipped over because we want to cook them on the other side also. All right, so we're gonna get this back in here. We're gonna start it back up, continue for the remainder of the time. As you can see, it's on 132. We're cooking it on 380 degrees. It looks like it's 99% in progress, so let's see. We're gonna get that temperature to 170. All right, so we're done. It says finished. It lets you know that your food is ready. I'm gonna pour that out. Let's give it a quick look. Oh man. All right, so let's get this out of the air fryer over to our cutting board so we can get into our final presentation and go into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Air fry honey Dijon chicken breast. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Guys, let's jump into quality control. I know y'all gonna love it. Let's go. All right, quality control time. Man, take a look at that. Bruh, this series, groceries. Let's go ahead and say it before we taste it. Groceries. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh man. Oh man. God, you definitely want to check this recipe out. But most of all, you definitely want to check out that DREO ChefMaker. Man, I'm looking at that thing sideways because I like that thing. That thing's smarter than me. That's probably the smartest thing in my kitchen. I thought I was the smartest thing in the kitchen. That's the smartest thing in my kitchen. Guys, you're going to love this one. Like that you control it from the app. You can download the app. Turn it on, turn it off, change your settings, all that right from your phone. You can even watch and see the temperature of your food. Man, I'm telling you. All right, I'm gonna shut up. Check the video description out. Go check it out. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. It's all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, but I like to cook. And I cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.